Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of natural remedies to uncover why clove benefits are the best kept secret in health. Cloves, those little brown pods you often find in your spice rack, are actually aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. Now let's explore the top 10 health benefits of cloves that just might make them your new go-to for a natural health boost. We hear a lot about antioxidants these days, but what's the big deal? Imagine your body as a battlefield and free radicals are the enemy causing damage to your cells. Antioxidants are the superheroes that neutralize these harmful compounds, protecting your body from oxidative stress. And guess what? Cloves are packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds act like scavengers, hunting down and neutralizing those pesky free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, cloves can help protect your cells and lower the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Think of it like this: incorporating cloves into your diet is like giving your body an army of tiny warriors fighting to keep you healthy from the inside out. We've all experienced inflammation, that redness, swelling, and pain that signals our body is fighting off something harmful. While acute inflammation is a natural and essential part of healing, chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies. This is where cloves come in, wielding their secret weapon eugenol. This powerful compound found in cloves possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help tame the flames of inflammation throughout the body. Eugenol works its magic by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that contribute to pain and inflammation. By reducing prostaglandin production, cloves can help alleviate pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis, headaches, and muscle injuries. So, the next time you're reaching for an over-the-counter pain reliever, consider adding some cloves to your diet instead. Let's talk about digestion, a process that's often taken for granted until something goes wrong. We all know the discomfort of digestive issues like gas, bloating, and indigestion. But did you know that cloves can be your secret weapon for maintaining digestive harmony? Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to aid digestion. These tiny powerhouses contain compounds that can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, the workhorses responsible for breaking down food and promoting efficient nutrient absorption. By boosting digestive enzyme production, cloves can help prevent indigestion, reduce bloating and gas, and even alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your digestion running smoothly, look no further than cloves. A healthy smile is a sign of overall well-being, and cloves can be your secret weapon for achieving optimal oral health. For centuries, cloves have been prized for their antibacterial properties, making them a natural alternative to conventional mouthwashes and oral care products. One of the main culprits behind bad breath, cavities, and gum disease is the buildup of bacteria in the mouth. Cloves combat these oral villains head-on, thanks to their potent antibacterial agents, particularly eugenol. Eugenol effectively inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, preventing plaque formation, reducing bad breath, and promoting healthy gums. So ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the natural power of cloves for a healthier, brighter smile. In today's world, maintaining a strong immune system is more important than ever, and cloves, with their remarkable antimicrobial and antiviral properties, can be your allies in the fight against infections. Cloves contain a unique blend of compounds that work synergistically to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Eugenol, the star player in cloves, exhibits potent antimicrobial activity against a wide range of bacteria, including those responsible for common infections. These antiviral effects are attributed to compounds in cloves that can inhibit the replication of viruses, preventing them from spreading and causing illness. By incorporating cloves into your diet or using clove essential oil, you can provide your immune system with an extra layer of protection. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. Cloves may naturally support healthy blood sugar regulation. Studies show cloves can improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps your body use glucose for energy. Cloves enhance insulin sensitivity, aiding blood sugar control. Cloves have been a trusted remedy for centuries. Remember those clove-studded oranges? They were onto something. Cloves help clear mucus, providing relief from coughs and colds. Eugenol acts as a natural expectorant, helpful for bronchitis, asthma, and colds. Cloves also reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Strong bones are essential for overall health and mobility, and cloves can play a surprising role in maintaining bone density and preventing age-related bone loss. While we often associate calcium and vitamin D with bone health, there's another unsung hero: manganese. Manganese is a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in bone formation and maintaining bone density. And guess what? Cloves are a surprisingly good source of this essential mineral. Manganese works in conjunction with calcium and other minerals to support bone structure and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Incorporating cloves into your diet can provide your body with a natural boost of manganese, supporting bone health and keeping you moving with ease. The liver is a powerhouse organ responsible for filtering toxins from our blood, digesting food, and producing essential proteins. And just like any other organ in our body, the liver needs a little TLC to function optimally. Enter cloves, the unsung heroes of liver health. Studies have shown that the compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, possess hepatoprotective properties. Eugenol works its magic by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, two major contributors to liver damage. By shielding the liver from these harmful insults, cloves can help promote optimal liver function, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Maintaining a healthy weight is a common goal for many, and cloves might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. While they're not a magic bullet for weight loss, cloves possess properties that can support a healthy metabolism and aid in weight management. Cloves contain compounds that can help boost metabolism, the process by which your body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism can help you burn more calories, even at rest, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Cloves may also help regulate appetite, preventing those pesky cravings and overeating that can sabotage weight loss efforts. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, consider adding cloves to your diet or incorporating clove essential oil into your routine. Wow, who knew that such a small spice could pack such a powerful punch? From boosting your immune system to supporting your liver, cloves offer a wealth of health benefits. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and leaving a comment below. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until then, embrace the power of cloves and unlock a healthier, happier you.